How to add another Gmail account in Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device, scroll down to Google and then click on Google. After that, you will find your Google account at the top. Click on the Google account. Then click on Add Another Account in here. After you click on Add Another Account, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, add your email or phone number, then enter your password, and then your new Gmail account will be added. This is how to add another Gmail account in Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.